estudiantes, welcome to today's video. So today's video we are covering the verb gustar, and of course we are learning negatives. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember, you can pause this video at any time throughout the lesson. Just make sure that you're writing down everything I have on this whiteboard. So let's go ahead and get started. Saquen la libreta y escriban la fecha de hoy. Es el 6 de noviembre del 2018. Remember, create a Gustar chart, and again, you can pause anytime. Remember, the verb gustar means to like or to be pleasing to. To like or to be pleasing to. So here we go. When I say I like, I say a mí me gusta or a mí me gustan. When you say you like, we say a ti te gusta or a ti te gustan. When we say he likes, we say a él le gusta or a él le gustan. When we say she likes, we say a ella le gusta or a ella le gustan. When we say you formal like, we say a usted le gusta or a usted le gustan. Remember to box your pronouns, me, te, le. If I were to ask you on your test, what are the pronouns for gustar? The singular pronouns, you know automatically they would be me, te, and le, always in this order. Remember the rule. Gusta is followed by an infinitive or a noun. Remember, gusta, now I didn't say gustan. If what you like is singular, you say gusta. If what you like is plural, you say gustan. But remember this rule. Gusta is followed by an infinitive or a noun. Remember, an infinitive is a verb that ends in AR, ER, or IR. Some examples would be bailar, right? Escribir, nadar. Those are infinitives because they either end in AR, ER, and IR. So I'll pause just for a second, but write down that rule. Gusta is followed by an infinitive or a noun. Here are some examples. Ejemplos. A mí me blank cantar. Remember, use the correct form of gustar. What are those two forms? It's either gusta or gustan. So, a mí me blank cantar. Número dos. A él le blank los libros. Remember, use the correct form of gustar. There are two forms, gusta and gustan. Okay? So, for example, the first one is a mí me gusta cantar. Look at what follows. What follows is a verb, right? An infinitive that ends in AR, so I'm hoping that everybody wrote gusta. And número dos, a él le gustan los libros. Why did I say gustan? Why did I say gustan? You can comment on this video down below why did I say gustan and not gusta? Look at what follows. Okay? Okay, guys, so now we are moving on to negatives. So to make a sentence negative, in Spanish, usually put the no in front of the verb or the expression. Here's an example. No me gusta bailar. No me gusta bailar. Again, no me gusta bailar. That is saying I don't like to dance. Now, if someone's asking you a question, and you always know it's a question because typically the pitch of someone's voice goes up when they ask you a question. Also, if you see it on paper, there's an upside down question mark at the beginning and at the end. So when you answer a question in the negative form, right, in Spanish, you always put two no's. So one answers a question and the second one says, no, I don't. And here it is. To answer a question in the negative in Spanish, you often use no twice. The first no answers the question, and then the second one says, I don't. Here's an example, ejemplo, that EJ, that means ejemplo. Te gusta cantar. I don't like, for example, if someone were to ask me that question, te gusta cantar, I would answer, I actually don't like to sing, so I would answer the first, again, look at what it says. The first no answers the question, and then the second one says, no, I don't. So there it is. No, no me gusta cantar. If someone were to ask me, ¿te gusta bailar? Do you like to dance? And again, I don't like to dance. I would say, no me gusta bailar. So remember, if you're answering someone's question in the negative form, you always have two no's, right? In Spanish, no to answer the question, and then the second no says, no, I don't. Okay, guys, so now let's start with expressing agreement or disagreement. So this is always the most challenging for kids, but I promise with more practice, you will understand how to use a mí también, a mí tampoco, a mí sí, and a mí no. I'm going to review quite a bit, so I want to make sure that you write down these notes. So here we go. So to agree with what another person likes, again, the clue is to agree with what another person likes, you use a mí también. And what does a mí también mean? It means me too. Again, a mí también means me too. For example, if I said, ejemplo, these are some examples. A mí me gusta leer. I'm saying I like to read. And you agree with me that you like to read. I'm going to say, a mí me gusta leer. Y a ti. And you would say, a mí también. Again, you use a mí también. Think of it, a mí también, as like a positive. Think of it as a positive. So, again, if I say, a mí me gusta leer, and I said, y a ti, so I'm saying I like to read, and you, to agree with señorita, you would say, a mí también. Okay? Now, if someone tells you that they dislike something, you can agree by saying, again, if someone tells you that they dislike something, you can agree, because you're agreeing, right? You say, a mí tampoco, which means me neither, okay? Again, a mí tampoco means me neither. So here's an example. A mí no me gusta cantar. I don't like to sing. A mí no me gusta cantar, right? You can say me neither. Or it's like saying in English, me neither. Neither do I. You would say, a mí tampoco. Again, you would say, a mí tampoco. You can pause this video at any time if you need to just kind of listen to me saying it. So if someone tells you that they dislike something, you can agree by saying, a mí tampoco, which means me neither. In English, that means me neither or neither do I. Here's an example. A mí no me gusta cantar. A mí tampoco. Now, you can disagree. When you disagree with another person's statement, that's our next rule. You can disagree with someone's statement, with another person's statement, by you saying, when you disagree with another person's statement, you say, a mí sí, or you can say, a mí no. Again, when you disagree with another person's statement, you say, a mí sí, or a mí no. So here's an example. Let's assume I'm going to say this. A mí me gusta jugar videojuegos. I like to play video games. Okay, so here again, I'm saying, a mí me gusta jugar videojuegos. I'm saying I like to play video games. A mí me gusta jugar videojuegos. So listen to that statement. Listen to that statement carefully. A mí me gusta jugar videojuegos. I like to play video games. And let's assume you disagree with me. You're disagreeing with my statement. You can say, but I don't. You would say, because look at what I said. A mí me gusta. I'm saying I like to play video games. But let's assume you don't like to play video games. You can say, a mí no. That means you don't like to play video games. But if I said, a mí me gusta jugar videojuegos, and you agree with me, you can say, a mí también. So here we go. If I said to you, a mí me gusta jugar videojuegos, and you don't agree with my statement, you can say, a mí no. Means I don't. Again, a mí me gusta jugar videojuegos. I like to play video games. But you don't, you would say a mí no. Now, what if I said a mí no me gusta jugar videojuegos? I don't like to play video games. But you do, you would then say a mí sí. Again, if I said to you, remember, this is always the hardest one for kids, the a mí sí or the a mí no. When you disagree with another person's statement, you're disagreeing with that person's statement. You either say a mí sí or a mí no. Okay, here we go again. If I said to you, a mí me gusta jugar videojuegos. I like to play video games. But let's assume you don't. You would say, you're going to disagree with me. You would say, a mí no. Now let's flip it. If I said, a mí no me gusta jugar videojuegos. I don't like to play video games, but you do, you would say, a mí sí. Remember, because you're disagreeing with the statement. So it's really important that you review these rules, right? Expressing agreement or disagreement. Hey guys, well, I hope you liked today's video. Please make sure to comment. Please make sure to subscribe. Please make sure to let me know in the comments down below why Señorita said gustan instead of gusta. I'm curious why, if you remember when we use gusta and gustan. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.